Look at that. What is up, you guys? In today's video, we're making air fryer protein buns. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. My name is Rose. I am an online health and fitness coach for women. We're making air fryer protein buns. This is my mom. Stay tuned for the video.
Oh gosh, I've been whole food plant-based for 10 years, January 2013. So I was doing pretty much the starch solution, and no weight was coming off at all. And when I hit 60 in November, I gained some weight because I was stress eating some processed food and stuff like that. So it just wasn't working for me anymore. So I decided to try something else. And plus I wanted to build strength in my body. Yeah, so I decided to seek you out. I was very nervous about it. I've lost inches.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of inches. My waist went in probably within the first couple weeks. My waist was thinner. My hips were coming down. I even lost a little bit on my thighs. So, I mean, you don't know unless you try. And it's kind of like what you say, you know, if you stay the same, you're going to stay the same. I mean, you're not going anywhere, you know, doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results is basically insanity. So if you're wanting to build some muscle, check this girl out.
And if you want more info on how my clients can eat these every single day and lose up to 2 pounds per week, link to my program is below. So the secret is out, baby. We are making air fryer protein buns. Buns sell like hotcakes. All of our clients that make these, their husbands are obsessed. Their mother-in-laws, their aunts, their uncles, their dogs, their cat, their goldfish, they are obsessed with these buns because these taste like bread and these can have up to 50 grams of protein. Good. Here are all of our ingredients for the buns. Regular seitan dough. It is a vegan meat. The quickest way to make seitan dough, and if you're not sure what seitan is, it is a vegan meat. The quickest way to make seitan dough is by vital wheat gluten. So if you don't have this, you can just take whatever flour you have and wash it, or you can buy this. It saves you a lot of time. So you need this. You need chickpea flour, water, any kind of seasonings that you want. So we personally love doing fresh rosemary and the Georgian seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. We're gonna let the bun master make these because she makes them bigger and fluffier than mine. Do your magic. Wow. All of our clients will start making these and it just keeps them super on track. The majority of them will have them for lunch with a salad, but others really like eating with their family, right? And sometimes you are trying to eat a little bit healthier, or if you are trying to go plant-based or vegan and your family isn't, it's kind of hard to find something that everyone likes. Husbands love these buns. Clients will take these buns and then have them as their protein source with whatever the family is eating. All you're gonna do is measure out the amount of seitan dough that you need. Seitan dough is typically around anywhere between 20 grams to 100 grams of vital wheat gluten, anywhere between 3 grams and about 20 grams of chickpea flour. Figure out the amount of protein that you need for your meal and then put that amount in and then add the same amount of water until it makes a dough. And we are adding in some rosemary as well, and then we're gonna add in the water. I came up with this recipe about 2 years ago, and we're still perfecting it today. We have to show our clients sometimes how to do this on Zoom just to get it perfect, but once you get it perfect, it is going to change your life. You're making seitan, the dough is gonna look like this. And then all you're gonna do is throw it in the air fryer at about 325 for 12 minutes. Air fryer protein bun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to learn how you can eat fun foods like those and still reach your goals for the rest of your life, stop doing it on your own. Link to my program is below, and I will see you on the other side.